Hello and welcome back to the dumbest modeling channel on all of YouTube, Pitstain Hobbies. I'm your host Egon. No, it's Ian. And we're back with another unboxing and review of a Scaled Modz option part for the Fanhome Ecto-1. We showed off his absolutely amazing roof rack. I found a photo online, a behind-the-scenes production photo that showed two antennas on it. I found a clear photo, and I let Corey know I saw two antennas on it. So I asked for a second antenna, and it was as simple as where the second antenna is. There was this little tiny black nub. I just took a pair of my Tamiya nippers and very carefully just squeezed around the outside edge of it and popped it right off, and then glued in my second antenna. So I do have a second antenna, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about these brand new beautiful things, and hopefully you're aware of what they are. But this, okay, this solves a major pain point on the Ecto-1 model. The kit supplied light bars are notoriously noisy. I've heard anecdotal reports of them jamming up and causing a, how do you put it, like a power surge almost, and frying the motherboard of the model. I've heard all sorts of stories. Honestly, I haven't gotten to that part in the build yet. I didn't get my light bars yet, but I've seen every video I've seen of the light bars built as instructed, minus one guy who put a diode in line, I believe, to kind of calm them down and slow them down a little bit. They're very loud. They spin extremely fast. Like, you could mix a fruit smoothie in those things. And they look beautiful. The kit parts look great. When it's turned off and it's sitting there, it looks great. When you turn it on, that's where the noise starts happening. So what we have here is these beautiful things. All 3D printed, hand painted, hand finished. Very lovely. Nice, neat wiring harness wrapped in wire. These are hand wrapped. I mean, the attention to detail is, it's almost disturbing. No offense, Corey. We appreciate it. But man, that is some attention to detail. There's a tiny bit of lubricant residue from the gearbox in the middle. But that's fine. All right. And yeah, these are amazing. And they plug right in. Now, I did not get the little front grill beacons, the little strobes. I already have modded my front grill with strobes, so I really didn't want to, you know, kind of undo that and redo it, and I probably did some modifications I can't hide anymore. So the roof rack has those two harnesses coming off of it, and you just take your little guys here, and you plug them. Do I have the plug in the right place? No, I had it upside down. Make sure you get the orientation correct, and then we'll gently plug that in. I'm going to put a pair of tweezers under this one just to keep it sitting level, because they're not on the car. When they're on the car, they're perfect. And hell, I want to see this right now. Let me switch to another view here. And contact. Oh my God. The speed is great. It has the center square mirrored reflector, which is proper. The inner wall right there is mirrored. So you get the light bouncing. See, look at that. Just like the real thing. I've looked at a lot of pictures of Code 3 Force 4 XLs online and quite a few YouTube videos, to the point where it was really messing with my video recommendations. I think the internet thought I was building my own Ecto-1 like in real life. But yeah, these things are fantastic. And for anyone that has the roof rack, the light bars are quieter than even the roof rack. And the roof rack's not very noisy at all. It's just a gentle hum of electric motor. These are absolutely phenomenal. And just so you can see all the detail, the proper decaling, The bracketry is beautiful. Bolts, there's no Phillips head screws showing. Okay, this section all painted lovely. The bottom, there's no screws, there's no giant gaps or gaping holes. You just have your double-sided tape here to stick it onto the roof of Ecto. And this is some very high-end, very, very sticky 3M double-sided tape. It is absolutely, they are amazing. Again, worth every penny. To me, absolutely. To someone else, it may be a bit dear, a little too expensive. It is what it is. The stock Ecto kit, it's not bad. It's just that it could be better. And that's every model kit. And some model companies have the opinion that a model kit is a starting point. A model kit is a good base. And you can add to it to personalize it for yourself. And this is exactly what Corey and a lot of the other mod builders, they all have fantastic products. So, you know, it's a thing. And everyone wants different things from their model. Some people just want to build it right out of the box. They're happy with it as is. And then some people that are a little more, I'm not going to call myself a nut job, but a little more OCD. And they go, well, that's not quite movie accurate. And that's not really accurate to real life. And this delivers. This will satisfy and satiate any OCD Ghostbusters nut in the world, I think. They're absolutely beautiful. I mean, the fact that he was able to print these lenses out of, you know, dyed clear resin, and the kit supplied lenses are a little more transparent, I will say, a tiny bit. It's just the side effect of using 3D resin to do that instead of having an injection molded part. But honestly, the difference is really not substantial. These look great. I've seen some other lights out there. I'm not going to name names. I didn't like them very much. They were a great silent option, so you had no noise, and for that they do a fantastic job. But for the realism aspect of it, it was no bueno. The pattern was all off. The speed was all wrong. They didn't look. It wasn't my cup of tea. That's all. A lot of people like them, and they're not a terrible product by any means. These are a very premium product. Okay, so you really get what you pay for. These are the most expensive damn light bars you will ever buy from any maker, probably, for the Ecto-1. The roof rack is also not cheap, but holy hell, this thing looks absolutely phenomenal. Bravo, golf clap to Scaled Modz for this one. And I have mods from multiple companies going into all of my models, or most of them. As long as they make mods, I'm generally going to buy them. But yeah, fantastic job. Thank you again. Man, these are cool. I can't wait till I get the car built up enough to put the damn things on finally now. Either way, Pit Stain signing off. Adios, everybody. Bye.